Let's knit the ballerina bodysuit. The bodysuit is worked top down, first in flat back and 4th rows, then in the round. After that, the work is split into front and back, which are worked flat, and then seamed together. The skirt is knitted directly from the bodysuit. We begin by knitting the ties. You will need for ties, approximately 30 centimeters long. The ties are made using the I-cord technique with 4 stitches. You can knit them with needles or use a special I-cord machine. Knit for stitches of the tie, cast on 10 new stitches, then knit another for stitches of the tie. Row 2, edge stitch, purl all stitches. Row 3, edge stitch, knit 1, make 1 left, knit to the last of stitches of the row, make 1 right, knit 2. Row 4, edge stitch, purl all stitches. Work rows 3 and for a total of 10 times. There are now a total of 30 for stitches on the needles. Both top sections are worked identically. For one of them, cut the yarn. For the other, leave the yarn attached for further work. Join the work to knit in the round. Knit 30 for stitches. Knit 30 for stitches. Work in stockinette stitch in the round, knit all stitches for 11 centimeters. Purl all stitches. Continue in stockinette stitch for a few more rounds until the total length reaches 12 centimeters. Now separate the work into front and back. Row 1, knit 2, slip, slip, knit, knit 26, knit to together, knit 2. Row 2, edge stitch, purl all stitches. Row 3, edge stitch, knit 1, slip, slip, knit, knit to the last 4 stitches of the round, knit to together, knit 2. Row 4, edge stitch, purl all stitches. Work rows 3 and for a total of 9 times. There are now a total of 16 stitches on the needles. One part is finished. Cut the yarn, leaving a 10 centimeters tail. Place the stitches on a stitch holder or a piece of scrap yarn. Proceed to work the second part. It is worked the same way as the first. Join a new yarn. The second part is finished. Cut the yarn, leaving a 30 to 40 centimeters tail. Graft the stitches together using the Kitchener stitch. Weave in the yarn ends and proceed to knitting the skirt. We will pick up the stitches for the skirt from the row with purl stitches. Pick up 136 stitches, one from each purl bump. Round 1. Knit all stitches. Round 2. Knit 2. Yarn over, repeat 68 times, minus 200 for stitches. Round 3. Knit all stitches, knit the yarn over as a twisted stitch. Round 4. Knit 4. Yarn over, repeat 51 times, minus 255 stitches. Round 5. Knit all stitches, knit the yarn over as a twisted stitch. Work in the round in stockinette stitch until the skirt measures 5 to 6 centimeters. Bind off 255 stitches. The bodysuit is finished.